Alrighty. Hello friends, we're back with another hair video. I'm Chelsea from Hairdo Salon in Mesa, Arizona. And once again, I have my lovely assistant Vera here with me today. And we are going to do 2 buns up here on the top part of her head, and we like to call them Minnie Mouse ears at our house. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna do just like a slightly off-center part initially on Vera's hair, and then we're gonna bring it back and then go take it to a center part from there. Okay, here we go. So once again, wide tooth end of my comb. I'm using the very edge. I'm gonna just put it right up the middle of her eyebrow, and I'm just gonna angle it back. So then we have a nice angled back section. And then from there, I can tell that it's gonna meet up with her nose right about here. So then I put the comb, wide tooth end of the comb, on her scalp right there, and I'm just gonna push it all the way down the back. A nice little tip or trick we use in the salon a lot when doing clients' hair actually is when you, here Vera, look this way. Thank you so much. Look, show them how cute you are. When you, if you put your forefinger at the base of the scalp, right there where the neck kind of goes in, at the base of the hairline, I mean, and you put a comb at the top of the head, and it will like track to it every time. It's wizardry, whatever, but it is what it is. So once again, I'm putting the comb on the top of her scalp. I'm gonna put my forefinger down here at the base, right in the little divot at the bottom where her neck is for her hairline ending. And then I meet them down there, and I'm able to separate them. And it will get it pretty close every time. Alrighty. So now that I have my 2 sections, I'm gonna clip one of them out of the way. So I'm gonna go ahead and clip this one off to the side. I'm gonna use this green clip that matches your green outfit today. Okay, and so I'm gonna work with this right side first. Oh, you like that one? You can play with that. All right, let me get this a little wet. So there we go. Same concept as before when we did the 1 bun on the top of her head. I'm over directing all this hair completely up. So I'm going to sit my hand at the top part of her hair up here, because that's where I want the hair to go. Where my hand is where I want the hair to go. So sitting my hand on her head, and just working out the bumps, bringing it all to this high elevated spot. Now I'm gonna go through with hairspray. Really make sure I get that hairline in good. If you have a child that has little wispy bang pieces that don't wanna stay back, I really love doing this kind of angled back part, especially for that reason, because then you can take a subsection. You know, let me show you. I'm gonna show you. We're gonna take a subsection right here where the angles, where we stop it coming back, and I'm gonna just diagonal that down and make a little tiny triangle right there. You can see we've got a little triangle right here. Okay, now I'm gonna put a rubber band in this. This is great to do for little girls that are growing out bangs, or they have bangs that won't stay back, the little wispy pieces, the baby hairs that just don't want to grow and catch up. So I'm going to do a little tiny rubber band right here. Open it up, twist, wrap around, twist, wrap around. So now we have these all secured nice and good to go into our bun. Okay, so let's go back to our section for the bun. So I'm gonna keep combing this hair up. Does that feel okay, Vera? Yeah, good. I'm gonna just keep combing this up. Getting up nice and high on the head. Also, sometimes when you do these top knots higher on the head, just from experience, it works out a little bit better with the booster seat and everything in the car. If the buns are a little bit lower, you know, sometimes the kids don't like that when they go to sit back. So it's just over time and with knowledge, I've learned this, to do the buns a little higher than you think so it doesn't mess with the boosters coming around their heads. All right, so now that we've got it all nice and high, I open my rubber bands. I have 2 rubber bands going together. I'm going to put it on, go over the hair once, twist, wrap around again, twist. 3rd time, we don't go all the way through. We're gonna pull it through. Cute little nub. Oh, this is gonna be so cute, Vera. This is gonna be so cute. She keeps checking it in the mirror to make sure it's okay. I love it. Quality control, making sure Chelsea's doing a good job. All right, now I'm gonna comb the ends smooth like we did last time. All right. And once again, let me turn her so we can see this rubber band trick again. All right, I'm gonna come at the rubber band. I'm gonna lift it up, put my pointer finger and middle finger underneath it, take the hair, I pinch it, and then I'm gonna pull it through. So we have the little twist going over the rubber band. Now I pull this bottom part a little bit, then we take the ends, twist, 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 a little spray of hairspray for good measure on those ends, and then I'm going to wrap it all the way around the ponytail to cover the rubber bands. Take another rubber band, and I'm gonna open it, and then we're going to go completely over the bun once, and twist it, and completely over the bun twice. So now we have our first bun. Oh, Vera, that is so cute. So, so cute. There we go. All right, let's do the second side. You've fallen. Do you need me to help you sit back up? You want to sit crisscross applesauce? There you go, girl. Okay. All right, second side. Let's come in with some water. All right, let's do some hairspray a little bit. All the way up. Oops, sorry, honey, there's hairspray from before. Let me spray it a little bit of water. There we go. Yeah. If you do get to a point where the hair is a little bit crispy because of hairspray that's dry, just wet it down and then you'll be able to get the comb back through it pretty easily. All right. We got this combed all the way up. Making sure my positioning is pretty similar and equal to what's going on the other side so we don't have a lopsided situation. Gonna come in with 2 rubber bands again. 2 rubber bands, come grab the ponytail, go over the ponytail once, twist, go over again twice, twist, 3rd time. We don't go all the way through, we pull, make a little loop. Then we take the ends. I'm gonna comb these smooth. Do a little hairspray on them. Especially to help hold in all those little tiny wispy ends that just wanna stick straight out, you know? All right, let me turn her so we can do this rubber band trick one more time. All right, here we go. I'm gonna lift up the rubber band. Pointer finger and middle finger underneath the rubber band, taking our cute little ends, our tails, twist, 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 so it's easier to hold. Put them in between my fingers, pull it through. Now I take these ends, the looped part, pull it, take the little tails right here, and we're going to wrap it around the base of the bun. And then we're going to take 1 more rubber band, open it up, go completely over the bun. Once and twice. And there we go. 2 cutest little Minnie Mouse buns on a really cute face. You can sit up. Yeah. All right, so once again, we did a diagonal back section, starting from the middle of her eyebrow, going back to the midpoint of her face, following her nose line. Then we took the comb with the wide tooth end. We put a finger at the base of her hairline and the little divot of her neck, and we followed it tracked it all the way down through to make 2 equal parts. 2 equal parts. Boom. Then we combed everything up. We first did our little ponytail right here, taking a section from that diagonal coming forward, rubber band it. Then we comb everything up, over directing it up with the wide tooth end of the comb, bringing it all the way up to the tippy top of her head. Combining all the hair, 2 rubber bands. Going over it twice, the third time making a loop. Then you pick up the rubber band, comb the end smooth, pick up the rubber band, put your 2 fingers underneath it, twist the ends, pull them through with your fingers, and then wrap the last little tails around and holding it with a rubber band. Then same thing on the other side. I hope you guys enjoy this and you get to see super cute buns in your near future. Have a good day.